Playing in the rain, Justice and Jada, let's get it. Justy Pooh's neighborhood, ha ha. We don't let the rain stop us. We gon' play anyway. We don't let no weather stop us, do we, Poo Poo? Whoa, whoa, whoa. Oh, watch out for the puddles, Poo Poo. It's so rainy out here. This is this is my niece, but it's Justice's cousin, Jada. Her big cousin. And she came all the way from Columbus, Ohio, just to play in the rain. Okay, she went to Columbus, then she went to Cincinnati, then she came here, and now they're here to play. What? Frozen, Poo Poo. Oh. Freeze. Oh. Show us some of your, oh, woo, that was a good one. Cartwheels. What you doing, girl? What y'all doing over here? Yo, lucky nobody don't live here. Why they leave the door open?
I know, and stuff in it too.
No, leave the door shut, Poo Poo.
The doorbell?
Leave the door shut. Come on. Jump.
Well, y'all have known me before because you remember I was on his channel again.
Yeah, when we was playing with dominoes. No spitting, Poo Poo. You gonna get your butt whooped.
Because you remember you playing dominoes too.
No spitting.
And it took long.
It took so long, but the video was short.
But she was asleep. Was she?
Yeah. Get your butt over here, Poo Poo.
1, 2.
Justice.
Exercise.
Justy Pooh's neighborhood, where you going?